I want to set an alarm on my phone. Can you help me setting the alarm for early morning?
You can do it yourself by following these steps. In a basic phone, first select Menu, then Applications, and then Alarm Clock. After that, set the alarm time, then select Save. If you want the alarm to repeat the alarm, select Options, then Repeat Days, and select the days, then select Done. In a touchscreen phone, follow these steps. First, touch Menu, then touch Clock, then touch Alarm. After that, set the alarm time, then touch Save.